Hi everyone, I'm going to go through playlist 5 real quick with you guys. Everybody's going to have the same one this week because it's going to be kind of a different playlist than what we've had in the past. So I am underneath classwork, right where you found this video, there's also your playlist. It looks like this. So first up, a couple of things that you might notice that are a little bit different would be that there's not very much stuff on the actual playlist itself, and there's lots of may-dos. So this week our goals for playlist 5 will be that you get caught up in ELA this week, and then also that you will give your best effort on the FastBridge diagnostic. So Monday and Tuesday, you guys will be taking the FastBridge diagnostics in class, and I'll be proctoring that for you guys. When you're done, then you just start working on your playlist stuff from the last couple of weeks. So if you have a missing assignment in the gradebook, or if you need to redo something, this is a great time to do that. And that's going to be Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Like after you're done with the FastBridge diagnostics, you just go into the rest of the week, which would be that you get caught up on your playlist 2 through 4. So for the most part during this time, I will be telling you guys what you should be doing if you don't already know. But if you're missing any assignment, or if there's something that you really just didn't do well on, I'm going to have you retake it. So kind of get caught up, and hopefully by the end of this week, everybody has everything turned in and everybody has like a C or above in the class is kind of a goal that everybody should have. However, if you're done with everything and you have a C or above in the class, and you don't want to redo anything, you need to be doing one of the may-dos that's been given to you. So basically, you can practice your morphemes, which it says here. You can also practice and play like a quizzes game on thieves, which is right here. Another option that you can do is to make flashcards. So I will have like actual like note cards for you guys to do, but you can make flashcards for yourself on the vocabulary, on the morphemes, or on both of them. So that could be a really good practice for you guys to study with those. And then this, you could actually get together and quiz each other with the flashcards after you guys have made them. So that is also an option. Another option is to read your book. So you can actually just read if you really want to, but you can't do any of the may-dos if you're not caught up. So I will know who needs to do stuff. So if I see you doing one of these, then I'm like, hey, this kid has a missing assignment, then that's not going to go over very well. So just remember, when I'm going through these may-dos, these only happen. They're not must-dos. You don't have to do them, but they will happen when you're done with your must-dos, which is getting your assignments in for playlist 2 through 4. So then, yes, I just went over reading your book. And then the last option is actually, there's a word search that I have for you guys with clues, and it's off of, I have 2 of them actually, so you can choose if you want to do morphemes or if you want to do vocabulary. But basically, you will have the definitions of the words for vocabulary, and you'll have to find those words within the actual word search themselves or itself. And then morphemes, same thing. So I will have those papers. They look like this actually, for you guys to go over and just go through and find those words. And then the morphemes is very similar. It looks like this. And same thing, you're going to be like finding the morphemes within that. And so those are your options for your may-dos. Basically, like I said, goal is that you are all caught up in ELA, you have no missing assignments after this week, and that you also ace your FastBridge diagnostic. And by ace, I mean I really just want you guys to try your best on the FastBridge diagnostic. The reason being is because I'm going to use this data. It's going to help me teach you guys. And so if it tells me that you're at a 4th grade reading level, then that's where you're going to be placed. And then if you're not really at a 4th grade level, then that could be very boring for you because it'll be stuff that you've already done. So I just want you to actually do your best on it so that you are on the level that you need to be on. If you're actually testing at a 3rd grade level and that's where you're at, then you gave it your best, and then that's where I get to start you. So that's exciting too. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions over this playlist. But good luck.